Good morning, students. The another important topic is the Human Genome Project. It was a 13-year project launched in 1990 and completed in 2003. It is coordinated by US Department of the Energy, and UK is the major partner of this project, while Japan, Germany, China, and France contributed significantly. This project was closely associated with bioinformatics. It is a new branch of biology. Its aim was to find out the complete DNA sequences of the human genome. Genome means the total number of genes present in the human DNA. The two factors which make this possible, these are the genetic engineering techniques and availability of simple and fast technique for the determining the DNA sequences. Now, HGP is a mega project. This is a very important topic. Why does the HGP so called mega project? The answer is that the human genome has approximately 3.3 into 10 to raise the power 9 base pairs. If the cost of sequence of one base pair is $3, then approximately cost will be about $9 billions. Second thing is that the typed sequence need near about 3,300 books with 1,000 pages and 1,000 letters of each page. So this is a very huge data. Now this data expected high speed computation device for data storage. Now the goals of the HGP. It would identify all the genes of human DNA which are approximately 20,000 to 25,000. Second thing is that it can determine the sequence of 3 billion base pairs present in human DNA. And third one is that store this information in databases and improve the tools for databases. Fourth is that it address the ethical, legal and social issues and transfer this technique to other sectors like industries, etc. Now, there are two methodologies are applied in HGP, which are, it involves the two major approaches. Number one, ESTS, that is Express Sequence Trap, focused on identifying all the genes which express as RNA. Now second is the sequence annotation. It includes all the coding and non-coding sequences of the DNA. Now salient features of the Human Genome Project. There are some salient features. This is also the very important topic. So many times asked in the board examination. One is the human genome contains 3,164.7 million base pairs. Second is that the size of genes varies and average gene consists of 3,000 base pair, while the largest genes of the dystrophin have 204 million base pair. Third, the total estimated genes are 30,000 and about 99.9% nucleotides are the same in all human beings. Fourth is that the functions of 50% discrete genes are not known till now. And fifth is the less than 2% genes codes the proteins only. Sixth is that scientists have identified about 1.4 million locations where DNA differentiation in single base pair in human beings occur. It is called as single nucleotide polymorphism.